Number 25. Which of the following is the solution to the differential equation dy dx equals e to the y plus x with the initial condition y of 0 equals negative ln 4? Y of 0 equals negative ln 4 suggests the point 0, negative ln 4. Asks about y. However, dy dx is another way of saying slope or the derivative. And since we are looking for y, know that we have to integrate. Problem by cross-multiplying to get dy equals e to the y plus x dx. Next, we can separate e to the y plus x as e to the y times e to the x. We can do this because when you multiply exponents, they add. The next step is to put all the y's on one side and all the x's on the other side. So when I did that, I got 1 over e to the y dy equals e to the x dx. I rewrote 1 over e to the y as e to the negative y, and then I integrated both sides. Integrate the left side, you get negative e to the negative y, and when you integrate the right side, you get e to the x plus c. Next, I divided the whole equation by a negative, and so the equation became e to the negative y equals negative e to the x plus c. The c stays positive because it's a constant. Back to the question, they gave us a clue of 0, negative ln 4. So I plugged that in to the equation, and I got e to the ln 4 equals negative e to the 0 plus c. Side turns into 4 because of this rule. ln 4 equals ln 4. But when you bring the e from the left side and raise it to the ln 4, you get 4. We have 4 equals negative 1 plus c. Therefore, c equals 5. Now we are going to take that 5 and put it back into our equation e to the negative y equals negative e to the x plus c. When you do that, we get e to the negative y equals negative e to the x plus 5. If we take the ln of the whole thing, we get ln e to the negative y equals ln of the negative e to the x plus 5. I brought down the negative y in front of the ln e to get negative ln e equals ln of negative e to the x plus 5. The ln e turns into 1, so now we have negative y equals ln of negative e to the x plus 5. If we divide the whole thing by a negative, we get y equals negative ln of negative e to the x plus 5. Luckily, this is c.